Live in Palmetto? There's a good chance you've already seen our work. We've completed window tinting projects throughout Palmetto, from waterfront communities and country clubs to historic homes, commercial properties, and boats. Our team has installed window film in communities like Bel Mare at Riviera Dunes, Esplanade at Artisan Lakes, Eves Bend, Silverstone North, Terra Ceia Bay, the Estuaries, Imperial Lakewoods, Snead Island, and throughout the historic district of Palmetto. We've helped homeowners reduce heat and glare with sun control films, added privacy and style with decorative films, improved protection with safety and security films, and even completed marine tint installations at Riviera Dunes Marina and surrounding waterfront properties. In Florida's heat, the right window film can help keep rooms cooler, reduce fading on furniture and floors, cut annoying glare, increase privacy, and improve comfort without sacrificing your view. So whether you're in Bel Mare, Artisan Lakes, Terra Ceia, Riviera Dunes, or anywhere else in Palmetto, Suncoast Window Films can come to you.